how to allow or don't allow apps making changes to location services on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then in here, we go down and tap on Location Services just under Privacy. Then at the top, if you want to block the changes, you can select Don't Allow Changes. Now you need to enter in the screen time passcode. And from here, you can also choose Allow Changes. So select Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. And here say disallowing changes locks the settings shown below and prevent new apps from using location services. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.